Karnataka, the Siddaramaiah government has reignited the hijab controversy. They've announced that the ban on wearing hijab will be withdrawn soon, triggering a fresh political controversy. Caught in the eye of the storm, Siddaramaiah has now taken a U-turn. Listen in.
ಇನ್ನೂ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಒಬ್ಬರು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಕೇಳಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಅದನ್ನ ವಾಪಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. ಈ ಶೈಕ್ಷಣಿಕ ವರ್ಷ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದು ಇನ್ನೂ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಒಬ್ಬರು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಕೇಳಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಅದನ್ನ ವಾಪಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. ಈ ಶೈಕ್ಷಣಿಕ ವರ್ಷ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
Cutting across to Prajwal, who's joining us on the phone line. Prajwal, is this a change of mind or a change of strategy? What has caused Siddaramaiah to now make a U-turn?
Suesha, at this point of time, Chief Minister Siddaramaiah as well as the Congress government in the state of Karnataka has faced a lot of brickbats as well. And therefore, he's now made a U-turn again on the hijab statement in Mysuru. And he's still stating that we are still under discussion to go ahead and lift the hijab ban in the state of Karnataka. And he's also stating that there has also been a lot of controversy which has been made by the BJP leaders in the state of Karnataka, and he will also look into it. So, this is something which is absolutely important. And then, in this latest statement which has come in, Siddaramaiah is stating that we have still not made this decision on the hijab ban, but one person had questioned about the hijab ban. And therefore, I had answered that government is thinking to lift the hijab ban in Karnataka, and in the government we will still discuss about it. Meaning to state that the government is still not decided about it, firstly. Secondly, from a legal perspective as well, the government of Karnataka cannot lift the hijab ban because it's a two-pronged decision right there at the apex court. And also thirdly, if you're looking at the laws as well, they will need to go ahead and amend the bills as well. The 1983 Karnataka Education Act section 2 of the para 5 clearly mentions that people of any community, of any sex, of any religion will have to be wearing a one uniform coat as well. So this is something which they will have to follow as well, and once and only that they go ahead and amend this, only then it will take into effect. And now finally seems like Siddaramaiah has gone ahead and remembered the legal recourse as well, and finally he's made a U-turn too, stating that it is still under discussion and only after he will be going ahead and making other statements too. So we'll need to wait and watch for that. But all said and done now, it's a U-turn by the Chief Minister of Karnataka.